starting with a JavaScript function named report CSP violation. It's designed to process and forward content security policy, or CSP, violations. When a violation occurs, the browser will execute this function, packaging the details into a JSON object. This object is then sent as a POST request to an API endpoint within our application, specifically, API, report CSP violation. Inside the fetch method, we set the content type header to application, JSON and stringify the violation report. Finally, based on the HTTP response, we log a success or failure message to the console. Next, we have code that ties together the reporting workflow in the front end. Once the DOM content has fully loaded, we add an event listener for security policy violation events, which are triggered when the browser detects a CSP violation. When such an event fires, it captures the event object containing details about the violation. These details include the document URI, the referrer, the blocked URI, the directive that was violated, and the original policy. The collected information is then passed to our report CSP violation function in the prescribed format. Lastly, we implement the server-side part of the equation within a Next.js getServer-side props function. This function is executed on the server prior to rendering the page. Here, we define our content security policy string with various directives like default src, script src, and style src set to self, which means only resources from the same origin are allowed. Importantly, we include the report URI directive pointing to our API endpoint for violation reporting. We then set this policy as a response header, effectively instructing the browser to enforce our CSP and where to send the violation reports.